Hey, May the 1st, 2024. The second thing we're going to test today, we've already tested the automotive relay tester and puller. We're going to review this 175 watt, got it upside down, 175 watt inverter. You've got three 110s, you've got a 12 volt, you've got two USBs, a 3 amp USB-C and a 2.4 amp USB-A. So we're going to start off by plugging in this Dell computer. We'll plug the inverter in first. This Dell computer uses about 130 watts of power, so we won't be able to use that much more other than that, but we will be plugging in a couple of these other chargers for the phone and stuff and show that you can use the USB-C and A along with the 110. And with the computer on, we're probably not going to be able to use the 12 volt. We could use it for our 12 volt blanket, but not with the computer. Now, we've already done a review of that master heater, this 20 watt solar panel, all kind of stuff in here. So check out all these product reviews, and let's get this thing plugged up and checked out. And it's going to start making noise because it has a fan in it to keep it cool at 175 watts. It generates some heat, and that is the reason that I don't use it as much, because it creates noise. Okay, why isn't it coming on? Maybe I got to plug something in. Let me check it out a little bit further. Okay, I just didn't have it plugged in good. We got it plugged in now, and you can hear the fan. And we've got the computer plugged into it up here. Daylight screen, you can't see it that good, but we've got it running on it. Let's see if we can plug in a charger and show that it charges these phones. And it's about $45, it seems like I remember. I got it at a truck stop, I'm not sure which one. Power drive. Okay, let me get something else plugged in here on it. Okay, well, we plugged in a 12 volt accessory, and then we are charging both our pad, our phone, one of our other phones. It says 3 minutes until full. It didn't need a whole charge. That one's probably about full too. But anyway, that's with the 12 volt plug in there to it. Now we will, let's pull one of these out and plug it into the, let's see, this is going to be the 3 amp USB-C. Plug it into this one. Unless that's a micro. No, that's a C. Let me get it plugged in. Okay, now we have got it plugged into, both of these plugged into the USB-C and the USB-A. And so they're charging and also running the computer, 130 watt computer. So all in all, I said, make some noise if you're going down the road and you get video. That noise in the background, that's the reason I don't use it as much. But I think I may connect it to the RV batteries, which I have in the back there. I won't hear that fan as much, and I can use it to charge stuff back there. So, like it very much. It works out really well. So I guess that'll pretty much wrap up this review of this product. What else do we have today? Oh, we're going to review that bike rack, and we'll see what else we get to. This, I guess, will be a wrap.